Hey, buddy.
Back 21.
What are we doing? What are we doing with this outfit on? You jumping out of an airplane or something?
Back 21 last?
Yeah,
Yeah?
yeah.
Okay.
So that's like,
It's your birthday?
yeah, my birthday.
Yeah, happy birthday, man.
Thank you.
More ways than one. You got 2 birthdays. So anything you want to tell somebody before we get going?
I don't think so.
We can talk about it when we land, okay?
Check it on you, man. You've been
Shit, shit. You ready to go?
Yeah.
Nice. Okay, let's go. Yeah, buddy. My pleasure. We lived.